What are the 11 phrases that scream lack of confidence and make you look weak? Confidence is like a magnet that draws people towards you, leaving a strong impression that lasts long after the conversation ends. However, not everyone feels naturally confident, and that's perfectly normal. The good news is that confidence is a skill that can be learned and improved over time. On this episode, we'll explore 11 common phrases that reveal self-doubt in conversations and discuss strategies to replace them with more confident alternatives. Phrase number one is, I'm not sure, but confidence is key to connecting with others and seizing opportunities. When you preface your statements with, I'm not sure, it signals hesitation and a lack of conviction. Instead, practice communicating with assurance and confidence to convey that you are knowledgeable and capable. Phrase number two is, I could be wrong, but confident individuals inspire trust and credibility. Starting a sentence with doubt undermines your confidence and diminishes the impact of your message. Replace this phrase with expressions like, I believe, or in my opinion, to convey confidence in your ideas. Phrase number three is, I don't know if I'm making sense, but this phrase reeks of insecurity and undermines your credibility before you even speak. Instead, adopt a more direct approach by saying, let me explain, or does that make sense? Engage with your listener confidently to convey your message effectively. Phrase number four is, maybe it's just me, but self-doubt can influence how others perceive your competence. By using expressions like this, you downplay the importance of your ideas. Replace it with more assertive statements like, I've noticed that, or I think that, to project confidence in your observations. Phrase number five is, I don't want to bother you, but while politeness is important, this phrase undermines the significance of your message. Instead, be direct and assertive in expressing your needs or thoughts. For example, say, I have a quick question about, or can I talk to you about something important? Phrase number six is, this might be a silly idea, but labeling your idea as silly diminishes its value and credibility. Share your ideas confidently without downplaying them. Start by saying, I'd like to share an idea, or I was thinking about something, to assert the importance of your contribution. Phrase number seven is, I don't know if you'll agree, but doubting your own perspective can weaken your argument and diminish your confidence. Embrace your viewpoint confidently, and remember that diverse opinions enrich conversations. Avoid softening your stance and express your opinions assertively. Phrase number eight is, don't listen to me, but this phrase undermines the authority of your voice and diminishes your credibility. Instead, express your thoughts openly and confidently. Remember that confidence is not just about charm. It's about owning your perspective and communicating it effectively. Phrase number nine is, I don't want to sound dumb, but everyone has valuable insights to share, and self-doubt should not hinder your contribution. Replace this phrase with more confident expressions like, I have an idea, or I'd like to suggest. Phrase number 10 is, this might not be right, but starting with doubt suggests insecurity and undermines your confidence. Trust your judgment and approach challenges with a positive outlook. Remember that confidence is intertwined with resilience and a belief in your abilities. Phrase number 11 is, I'm probably not the best person to ask, but downplaying your expertise diminishes your credibility and authority. Instead, embrace your knowledge and offer your insights confidently. Remember that confidence is not about being flawless. It's about being comfortable with who you are and what you bring to the table. So, in conclusion, mastering confidence is a journey that involves self-awareness and continuous improvement. By identifying and replacing self-doubting phrases with more confident alternatives, You can enhance your communication skills and project a stronger sense of self-assurance. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect. It's about embracing your strengths and owning your voice confidently in every interaction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.